Okay, good morning. Mark Rapp operations for South Obenchain for September 17th, 2020. So the good news is the fire stayed within the perimeter lines that we have established to this point. So that's good news. We didn't have any fire expansion last night or yesterday because basically of the good work the firefighters are doing out there on the ground. So just going to go around the map again and talk a little bit about each division and each area there. So starting up in Branch 1 in Division Echo, fires just continue to mop up in there and kind of a search and destroy for smokes and hot spots within within a established perimeter, approximately 300 feet from the fire edge into the fire area is what we're targeting for the most part. So Division Echo's looking continuing to look really good in there, and they'll continue that for the next several days. Up in Division Foxtrot, it's kind of in the Indian Creek there area there. So again, still a lot of work in there. They really got to push theirs into that 300-foot perimeter there, and they're continuing to work on that. So we're getting a few more resources in that we can move around and help out where the real work is. So we'll continue that up in Division Foxtrot today and the next couple of days. Division Sierra, starting to just really getting in there with resources. We really have limited resources that we can disperse around the fire. We're not getting a lot in. There's a lot of competition for resources, especially crews and engines. All the heavy equipment, we're kind of past that point, so now we're getting really into the nitty-gritty with the hand crews and stuff like that. So down in Division Uniform here, down the east end of the fire, that all held yesterday really well, and started to mop up in there, or we'll be starting to mop up in there. We did have one spot yesterday that we picked up, and that picked that up pretty easily, and that held. So this is starting to look good in here. Just continue. This is really we're getting on the eastern edge of the fire here. We're getting into big timber, and that's going to take a lot of work to kind of get that secured and mopped up. Down in Division Tango, a lot of good work there done, and that's looking really good. Continue to search and destroy on hot spots and smokes, and they'll continue that today and the next few days. Over in Alpha, that's all pretty secured in there. As you can tell, some of the lines are still red. This one here has been turned to black. That means we've got a pretty good solid line on that, and they're just basically patrolling that and looking for any additional hot spots. One note is we did bring in an unstaffed aerial device, which basically is a drone with infrared capabilities, and they have been doing some work. Last night they did it in up here near drop point 200, which is not on the map, but they brought that in and they flew that, and we'll get a map product out of that, and that'll help us in finding any hot spots that we can't visually see, and that's going to be a real value. So we'll continue to use that for the next foreseeable future at night. That's primarily when we use it, and because it really, during the day, we can get hot. We can actually pick up hot rocks and other hot areas of heat that aren't necessarily burning fire. So with that, we'll continue on with our work. Thanks.